Greetings to all. Welcome to the virtual classes of learning. Let's start the new topic, and the name of the topic is percentage composition of a compound. What do you mean by the percentage composition? The word percentage composition means the relative mass of each element present in hundred parts of its mass. Percentage composition means the relative mass of each element present in 100 parts of it by mass. Just like when your result come, you calculate your percentage composition. How will you calculate your percentage composition? You calculate your percentage total mass by dividing the marks obtained divided by total marks multiply by 100. It means you get your marks in 100 marks or by marks of 100. Similarly, in percentage composition of the compound, as in compounds, different elements are present in the single compound, and we have to calculate the percentage of each element. Just like in your class you have different subjects, just like the maths, English, Hindi and so on. If you want to calculate your percentage in math marks, how will you calculate? You put your math marks, divide by its total mass, multiply by 100. Similarly, you can easily calculate the percentage of your English subject and percentage of your Hindi subject. Similarly, in chemistry, we can easily calculate the percentage of the different elements present in a single compound. How will we calculate the percentage composition of different elements? This percentage of the element or the mass of the element which is present in 100 parts of its mass is known as percentage composition of the compound. How will we calculate? Let's take the simple example. The simple compound, let's take the calcium nitrate. This is the chemical formula of the calcium nitrate. In this compound, 1 atom of calcium, 2 nitrogen and 6 oxygen are present. As in this compound 3 different elements are present, therefore we have to calculate the percentage of these 3 elements. How will we calculate? First of all, we calculate its molecular mass. For its molecular mass, the mass of calcium is 40 plus mass of nitrogen 14 plus 16 into 3 multiplied by 2. This 2 is multiplied with the mass of nitrogen as well as with the mass of oxygen. So calculate 40 plus 14 plus 48 multiplied by 2. Comes out to be 62 into 2 164 U or 164 grams. This is the molecular mass or the total mass of the compound, that is 164 U. Now we have to calculate the percentage of calcium. percentage of nitrogen as well as percentage of oxygen. How will we calculate for this? The molecular mass of calcium nitrate is 164 U. There are three elements present in this compound, that are calcium, nitrogen and oxygen. So first of all, calculate the percentage of calcium. For percentage of calcium, we put the mass of calcium present in this compound, as in this compound only single element of calcium is present. So the atomic mass of calcium, that is 40, divided by total mass or molecular mass, that is 164, multiplied by 100. It comes out to be the percentage composition of calcium which is present in this compound, or which is present in calcium nitrate. When you solve this, it comes out to be 24.39%. The next atom is nitrogen. So we have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen. Percentage of nitrogen is mass of nitrogen divided by total mass or molecular mass multiplied by 100. So mass of nitrogen in this compound is nitrogen. The mass of nitrogen is 14. As in this compound 2 nitrogen atoms are present, so multiply it by 2 divided by total mass, that is 164, multiplied by 100. It comes out to be when you solve this comes out to be 17.07%. And the last element which is present in this compound is oxygen. There are two methods to calculate the percentage of last element. The first one is the percentage of hydrogen is the same, that you have to calculate calcium and nitrogen same as percentage of oxygen, mass of oxygen divided by total mass or molecular mass multiplied by 100. The mass of oxygen is 16 into 3 into 2. Here 6 oxygen atoms are present, so we have to multiply it by 6 divided by total mass, that is 164, multiplied by 100. It comes out to be 96. 164 multiplied by 100, it comes out to be approximate 58.54. This is the first method to calculate the percentage of last element, or you can also calculate the percentage of last element is 100 minus percentage of first element, that is calcium, minus percentage of next element, that is percentage of nitrogen. It again comes out to be 58.54%. The sum of these all percentage composition should be approximate 100%, because we defined the percentage composition is the relative mass of the element present in 100 parts of its mass. Therefore, the total percentage of all elements should be 100. This is all about the percentage composition. I hope you understood this concept.